All right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, my fastest time yet, guys. Check this out. 1 minute, 46 seconds, live on camera. Right here, you all witnessed it. Wow, that is my record time so far, 1 minute, 46 seconds. Can you guys see that? It is not a fake at all, live on video. Wow, I don't know if I can beat that next time. Sometimes the algorithms, even though they're set algorithms within absolutes, you get various outcomes even though you use the same algorithms. But the pieces all fell into place per algorithm this time. So I just want to show you guys that there was no cheating at all. Wow. One day after my birthday. There it is. Right there, guys. This thing is really fun. I love algorithms. 1 minute, 46 seconds. Thanks for watching, everyone.